In grades 3, 4, and 5, students transition from learning to read to reading to learn. They conduct short research projects, read books on a variety of topics. And so, one goal we have for them is that they can use strategies flexibly based off their need to help them understand unfamiliar words. This is because they're reading books in a variety of text types and topics and are going to be looking at information that they might not know a lot about. One strategy is called context clues. When students use the other words or phrases in a sentence that they found an unfamiliar word, they can use that information to help them make an invented definition. So if I looked at this sentence, the coach admonished her for picking daisies when she should have been defending the goal, and I didn't know about the word admonished, I could use the clues of the coach was doing something to her for picking daisies when she should have been defending the goal. And in my head, I could know already that if you're not defending the goal, then the other team might score. And that's a negative thing to happen. The coach would not be praising you if the other team scored or listening. They would be criticizing and pretty upset. This is called the context clue strategy. And if students use this as they're reading unknown words, they can focus on making meaning of a larger text. Another strategy is to know about prefixes and suffixes. A prefix is a word part that is added to the beginning of a word. A suffix is a part of a word that is added to the end. And these might be found in words that have Latin or Greek roots and have multiple syllables. So when you break the words down by part and you understand what each part means, then you're more likely to make meaning without having to look up the definition so that you can continue reading. One example of a prefix is the word hex, the prefix hex, meaning six, and the word part is agon. And I know that this word root or word part refers to a shape. So when put together, I know this means a hexagon or a shape with 6 sides. Knowing different strategies for reading unfamiliar words will be very helpful to students as they transition from learning how to read to reading to learn.